Okay, here's how you upload a picture so you can post it on Postmaster. So first you need to go to your website. So that's where I am at the WLS Writing Center website. I'm scrolling all the way down to where it says Editor Login. Go to Editor Login, sign in. Okay. Great. Once you log in, then you're going to go up to where it says LiveWhale CMS and you'll see Edit Page. So go ahead and click on the Edit Page. You actually don't need to click on Edit Page, just go to Dashboard. When you go to Dashboard, you're going to have all of these little tabs. So when you go up here to the right hand side, just go to Images. From Images, all you need to do is go to All Images. From here, you go to Add a New Image. Here you go ahead and scan or select a new file from your computer. So what I will do here is find something that is on my computer. That is an image. Let's see, we'll go to the Meet the Staff. Open, and it'll be in here like this. Go ahead and save it as whatever you want to call it, Meet the Staff 2, so I'm going to call this. Then you go ahead and save the image. Once you save the image, all you need to do then is you need to grab the URL for that image. So let's go ahead and go to this one, click on it, over here. Click on that, and you'll see that it'll open up the image here and then view full image. Go click on that. That is your image. Go ahead and go to the bar up top, Command C for copy, and you will have it copied. You can click out of that now. Great. Now I'm going to go to my email, to Postmaster. So let's just say that we're in, Postmaster for today, right? Okay, so click here to manage your events. Sign in again. And then submit a notice. So then you're going to fill out the date. So let's say I want to post this tomorrow. You know how to do all this. The 7th again. And then my subject, test, campus. I just need to fill all this out, whatever. Okay, so when you get to this box here, click on the image icon. Then you go to image URL and you paste that URL in there. Before you go ahead and insert it, you have to change the appearance. I change it to 500. That's what Kelly Lassard taught me to do, because then it fills most of the box. For example, this one is a little skinny, so I might actually do 600, but 500 to me is safe. So I do insert, okay, and it'll be in there. So then I just go ahead and submit the notice. Well, I have to check that box, right? Okay, check that box. And then submit the notice. And there it is. This is my test, right? So I can go ahead and view how it will look, and that's how it will look. And you can put text in there if you want to. So, for example, let me go back here. Got it at management. If I wanted to edit it, for example, all you just need to do is edit it, go down here, and you can add text to the bottom or to the top of it. I'm just going to delete that. You don't have to, but I delete it. And then I'll put the URL back in because I didn't leave a space. Appearance is 500 across the board. Insert it. Okay. And then I can put, come see us. Certify, update, and then you can view it to see how it is, and then see, it's there. That's all you need to do. Hope this was helpful.